All right, you look wired. What's got you bouncing like you just discovered Red Bull?
Cause Rob, Philly has a startup cheat code, absolute cheat code. It's called United Effects Ventures. These guys build companies before they're even companies.
Wait, before their companies? Like, no product, no traction, nothing?
Exactamundo. Everybody else wants proof, spreadsheets, a polished pitch deck. UE's like, nah, bring us your napkin sketch and too much caffeine. We'll spin it up into a startup. Who does that?
So they just throw money at kids with ideas. Bleh. Bleh.
Not just money, man. Not just money. What is money? They're in the trenches. Tech, design, mentors, real feedback. It's like having your own pit crew, except instead of tires, you're swapping out your business model mid-lap.
Okay, but why here? Why Philly?
Because the city's not built on trust fund bros and golf club intros. It's built on grit, on hustle, on people who actually know how to work. UE sees that. They're betting on Philly founders with fire in their gut, not just Stanford on their resume. Plus, we team warded anyway.
So what you're saying is...
I'm saying UE Ventures is the welcome wagon, the crash test dummy, and the launchpad roll into one. You got an idea in Philly, stop waiting for permission. UE is literally built for you. United Effects. UE. United Effects.
All right. I'm sold.